Chụp điệp xua, xóa có một căn speak English with SamAth. Ngày này, dân đừng riêng chùm luôn buôn bẹ. Chẳng dân đừng riêng chùm mối short vowel E. Đôi video muốn thì dân mình riêng bí short vowel A. Chẳng dân một tòa mình riêng thầm mày. Ta chập đám. Unit 5. Short vowel E. Unit 5. Short vowel E. Chẳng E xâm linh ấy kia E. E make sound E. Chẳng là sao E nhưng mới lực là khiến giờ. Which one is E? This one, right? Yes. E, very good. Chẳng E sound elephant. Elephant. Chẳng cho N sling ấy sling N, right? N ta N, yeah, very good. One more. E sound elephant plus the letter D, add. Okay. Chẳng dương một riêng tiệm bao giờ. Dương mơ này ấy kế. Bươi kế này, bươi kế. What color is it? What color is it? Red. Red. Chẳng red. Xó. R. R. Chẳng letter E. The red. Red. Okay, red. This is red. Pưa graham. Red. Okay, good. Lâu ăn mà đọc từng ngọt nhé. Red. Okay. Then the red. Okay, very good. Next word. What can you see? X and hen. Yeah, this is hen. What letter? H. Huh? How about A? A letter. E. Hen. Yeah. Hen. This is hen. Hen. How about this one? Do you know what is it? It is pen. Yeah, very good. Pen. What letter? What is the first letter? What is the beginning letter? So, letter P. Very good. Letter P. P. And what letter? E. So pen. Pen. It is pen. Okay, so last one. You know what is this? You sleep on it every day. So bed. What letter is it? B. Very good. B. And E. The D. The bed. Okay, this is bed. So it's not too hard. If you know all the sounds, you can read it very well. It's knowing about the sound of those 26 letters help you to read better. And you will be happy to learn. Okay, let's read one more time together. Unit 5, you say it. Unit 5, very good. Short vowel E, your turn. Short vowel E, very good. Listen and repeat. Listen, stop, and repeat. Talk, okay. Letter E, N, 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 ed, one, red, red, hen, hen, pen, pen, bed, bed. Okay, now can you read this word, 4 words? And then after that, I will ask you to stick the words to the correct pictures on the board. Okay, so let's read together. Red, very good. Can you say? Red, very good. So, where is the correct pictures? Is it red? No? Okay. Is it red? No. Is it red? No. So is it red? Yes, very good. Wow, you are so smart. Red right here. Red. Okay. And how about this word? Can you read it? Bed. Is it bed right here? No, it is red. Is it bed right here? No, it is hand. Is it bed right here? No, it's pen. Is it bed right here? Yes, it is. Wow. It is bed. Here it's spelled with B-E-D. Bed. Well done. Okay. So look at this. Pen. Okay. So we have two pictures. You think this is pen? No, it is hand. So not. Is it pen? Yes. Yes, it is. It is pen. Pen. So put it here. Very good. So last one. So no more choice, right? Yes. Last one is the hard one. No, it's so easy one. Okay. Hen. Wow. Hen lays so many eggs. Hen. Ooh, why is it flying? Now let's say together one more time before we end our class. Okay, teacher count 3 for you. You read. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Unit 5. Short vowel E. Very good. Listen and repeat. N, ed. Okay. What is it? It is red. Red. What is it? It is hen. Hen. What is it? It is pen. Very good. Pen. What is it? It is bed. Bed. Very good. Wow. You are super smart. Wow. Ooh, I love you so much. Okay. Thank you so much for learning English with me. This is the end of today's lesson. See you in the next video. ជំរាបលា